GeekVape gives you the universe with a Nova Alpha Kit. GeekVape decided to combine its 2-star studded products to give you a kit worth every penny. Want to skip the video altogether and get it right in your cart now? Just click the icon in the top right hand corner. The GeekVape Nova is an eye catcher with its aluminum alloy chassis matched with its beautiful resin panels that doubles as a grip. This mod has a big range topping out at 200 watts, so those of you who enjoy a warm cloud, well, this one's for you. The Nova feels lightweight in your hands even with two 18650s in it, so depending on how you like your mods, this could be a positive or a negative. The color OLED display is pretty amazing, giving you a clear readout along with the ability to change the color. Now let's dip into the tank. The Alpha tank has a 4mm capacity and a pretty sweet push to open top cap, and it comes with 2 coils, a 0.15 ohm mesh and a 0.4 dual mesh. To learn more about this tank, check out our review of the Alpha in the description below. Oh, and we didn't forget about you in the EU. There is a TPD Nova kit sporting the Cerberus tank. You can check that out in the description below as well. If you want an eye-catching kit that has power and comfort in spades, get the Nova Alpha Kit at Vape Wild today. If you like this content and you'd like to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, want to get 120 mils of e-liquid for just $1? Click the link down in the description below. Hey, thanks, bye.